Ooh, it's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. Woo! 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 Yo. I can't stop. I won't stop. Unbelievable what is happening in the space. Unbelievable what's happening to me and my lifers. I'm happy I'm going through this with a group of people. This has been an unbelievable journey. I am just drunk with gains again this morning. I can't believe it. They tried to crush our spirits, the dumb market makers. And this is funny because we found a solution. I'm going to break something down that's so interesting. I'll bring the music down a little bit, but this, my man said the music's got to stay up today, and I'm with him, man. We got to keep the music going. Like, yo, look at this. Doge pumping. We got Bitcoin pumping. Digibyte pumping. Litecoin pumping. Mana pumping. Ether pumping. Monero coming on in there, moving it through. Guys, Doge. People know what to buy right here. ADA coming in a little bit, sliding in there. A little bit of ADA, a little bit of Atom, a little bit of Balancer. Heavy on the ETH. Brrr, brrr. They got the brrr, the brrr. You know what the brrr? That's printing money, baby. Brrr. The money printer. You know what I'm saying? Brrr. Brrr. Boom, boom, boom. Coming on in there. A little bit of XRP, big XRP. See, the bigger the ball, the bigger the buy. Unbelievable what's happening in the space. Wow. I got to talk about it because they tried to fake me out and I faked them out this time, which never happened to me. Not like they took us down, and I was like, okay, you took us down. I get it. But did they? Because we were up the whole time. You get what I'm saying? Safemoon holding us down, which I'm not even, I can't believe I'm a fanboy of a Safemoon channel kind of dude, because that's not my channel. We are strict traders here. We're robust TA experts, but I did an 86X on Safemoon. Hands down. 86X, pull my chain out. Like, yes, I feel the need to be a gorilla today. I'm sorry, but yo, let's go, baby. Let's go. Like, let's go. Do you see what's happening in front of your eyes? This is really happening. This isn't a joke. You know, this is not a joke. This is not a joke, bro. Big balls, big box. Yo, getting down on Safemoon, man. I'm sad I sold my Safemoon. I made a nice profit, but I should have just put it in a trailing stop. This thing has not taken a break. Wow, man. Let's get into Bitcoin. Let's get into the regular things of the day. But guys, I'll turn that music down a little more, but I'm keeping it pumping today. I'm keeping the energy up. Lifer, will you take some profits on Safemoon? No, not till I hit that million, maybe 10 million. What if it made me $10 million? Right? What if it made me $10 million? It feels like a joke, yo. What if it hits 10 milli, right? We sell it, yo. I still hold all my tea cake, and I have so much faith in tea cake. I think it's gonna do great. I think it's gonna do absolutely great. I think this May, when the project comes out and it starts to boom, oh my God, guys. You're gonna be so happy that you're holding some tea cake, in my opinion. For sure. Without a doubt in my mind. So, that's my opinion. I wouldn't let go of my tea. I know I have something. See, I buy something when no one's talking about it. When nobody cares about it. You know, I just want to check these levels. When nobody cares about it, right? When nobody's talking about it. When it's not that big of a deal. That's when we're scooping it up. We're not buying things when they're pumping, guys. My eyes popped out when I saw the balance this morning. If you hit 10 M's, you're still going to do streams? Guys, I would never leave y'all. I would never leave y'all. This is my life. I did this when I was broke and had nothing. I did this when I was broke and had nothing. I will do this when I am loaded and have everything. I'm still doing this. Honestly, I'm still doing this. Like, you know what? Like, to me, YouTube is a battle, is a competition, and I want to take the lifers to the highest place we can go. Like, I don't want to stop. I don't want to stop. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys for coming on in. Saw we had a little bit of buffering. It seems to be okay now. When's the last time we had 4 minutes ago, which is weird. We're having a few issues here and there. Not sure why. I did flip the VPN off just in case, you know. Alpha got me worried. Keep doing what you love. Save Mars ripping too. Yeah. I'm so not in the moon up. So happy for y'all that they are. 15K Safemoon still holding at 001. Man, nice to see you. Happy you provide a lot of value. You deserve it. I appreciate you. Thinking to join the Patreon soon. Still learning about this crypto journey. Where should I invest $150? Safe Mars, lifer. I need a lifer patch. Yo, we got to get, yeah, lifers, yo. Lifer patches. Lifer patch is going to sell these chains with a lifer coin, a silver coin. Yo, it's going to be dope. If BTC holds, I think CHC will pump very soon, guys. Okay, let's get into the basics. Let's get into Bitcoin. Even though there's so much fun, it's insane, right? But let's get into Bitcoin. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Okay, so remember yesterday we had it in this, I call it the Twisted Sister. I don't know why, but it just came out of but it makes sense, you know, it's that band, but it's a Twisted Sister. You know, we're not sure which way she wants to go on us, right? Up, down, and now it's sitting here at support. Now, I said it's very important that we held the support, and I want to see us break this range like so. And honestly, I think that's all that was happening. And if you think about it, like, Bitcoin was just hanging out in a pattern, and everyone freaked out. Bro, big ups on the couch, eating can of beans, watching your channel. I came from scum life. You make me feel blessed. Big mother effing... Yo, Shout out to you, man, and stay blessed, my friend. Stay blessed. If I see you, and when I see you, you'll know what it is. Stay blessed, my friend. Stay blessed. Jesse B, you are life, bro. We love you, bro. Twisted sister. It is a twisted sister. T-Cake update. Safe Star, Safe Moon, Safe Mars. It's all there, right? Weekly ETH, bearish div, checking. So, Bitcoin right now has some bearish div, right? As you can see, it played out. Shout out to Rocket Dog. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. You're my dude. Thank you for taking that session yesterday, man. Sat down with Rocket Dog. Very, very intelligent young man. Awesome. Good to see him in the space, learning, doing what he has to do to get himself where he needs to be. I like when I see people take sessions because I love when I see like a 22-year-old kid take a session with me, because when I was that age, I was hanging out with my friends and bugging out, and like I was not sitting down and taking a session about the stock market, or, you know, what is the stock market now, which is cryptocurrency really in a way, because this is where it's going. 20 years from now, I don't think people will really know what the old stock market was, but some remnants of what we're doing, I think, will be somewhere, somehow. Shout out to stream. I haven't taken a look at the stream. Want to take a look who's here. Haven't had a chance to just take a gander at it. Got to shave. I'm going to shave, possibly get the haircut. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Hold on one second. Don't listen to that double music. It'll be over in a second. We'll be fine. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys for jumping on in. 116 people. Unbelievable. Can we please get that like button hit up? And thank you for the super chats, guys. Keep it rocking. Keep it rocking, man. Super chats help the channel too, in a way. Help the algorithm, you know? It sees that you guys are really that hungry for what it is. It pumps the channel. Pumps the channel. 29 likes, 119 people. Come on. You guys can get that like button all the way to 100 real fast. Or I won't do one chart. All right, so Bitcoin was going to go up or down. Right now, it stayed in this channel. Shout out to Latex Roach, always giving that 99. I see you, bro. I see you every day, bro. That's $30 a month. I see you, my friend. I see you. Got you, homie. Morning livers. Morning livers. Hope you're good. Your snacks. Just throwing that out on the radar. Chris Lucas. Lane Axis is doing the last day of presale. Axis token. Freight brokerage is over 10 trillion. Industry. Lane Access. Access token. Okay, I see you. Remember what I said, guys? We can just make a tab now, and then I can hit that tab up. So that's waiting for us. That's waiting for us. Access token. That's waiting for us, guys. Something I've never heard of. So you guys can get your pen and pads. Yet another thing you hear on this channel. I'm saying this channel has become a hub for information. It's like a place you would go in a park in the middle of a city where everyone who's into what you want to know is there, talking about it, describing it, breaking it down for you. Okay, so Bitcoin, we're going to break it down nice and clear. We're going to clean this chart up for you guys, because I know you're like, what is he doing? He's a mad scientist. He's got lines. What is going on? Okay, so far, we got wicked once. We got wicked twice on the daily, but we held support. And that's daily support from back here, right? And we could even move it up to right there. Right about there. And that daily support comes from this candle close right here on March 16th. And that may even come back to something else further. There is a bounce here with a bit of a wick. So we can see this area has had a bit of a bounce, a bounce there too, a bounce there too, and a bounce. So this area has held strong support now. 55,300. This area right here that we're at, interesting enough, has kind of been a hub of activity. You can see, look, we bounced here off this candle here. We bounced right there. This candle there, and that candle. And then these two candles too met their fate right here. And then we even had this candle close here, and this candle closed just above it, even though we had wicking. So the bulls showed up. You know, if the bulls did not show up, it was going to be trouble. It was going to be trouble, but the bulls showed up right here. Shout out to the 1333 blessings, bro. I love the pound. Yo, 1333 pounds. Much respect, man. I like the 1333. Much respect. Not a scam, but it's sustainable. Do we like the world much here, though? Chris, though, the safe coins are Ponzi schemes. Take profits and get out when you're rich. The buyer will lose everything but Fern. Haha. So, Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. Safemoon. I'm thinking of exiting. I don't know. I'll tell you guys when I get out. You know what I'm saying? And then I'll probably see it go up even more and be like, wow, I should never have. You know, it's one of those things, bro. It's one of those things. We don't like that word here, selling it. So I see Bitcoin getting saved, hopefully by this green candle. So far so good. I'm going to propose that we go to the upside. Also, look at the daily. Oversold, curving up. Even if we come up and have a double bottom, the double bottom could get us like this. You see? Let me show you. Because I always assume the double bottom, but it doesn't always happen. See, it could be a clean. It could be clean. Either way, you know, we could just round out, or we could round out like that. Either way. So that tells me that Bitcoin will make its way up. So trade on Bitcoin right now would use daily support in this chart. So this would be basically I'm giving you guys a trade right here. Free trade on Bitcoin. Just like the title says, free Bitcoin signals. Yep. So if you've been watching the channel for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever it may be, you're already getting a free trade. And don't do anything I do on this channel. None of this is financial advice. This is a trade that I'm believing is going to happen based off of my technical analysis. Whether it happens or not, nobody knows. But I'm speculating completely, and I could be way off, right? But I tend to do the same thing over and over again, and I go to my checklist, right? And what's my checklist? Well, are we in a bullish pattern? And no, this is a bearish pattern. It's a rising wedge. It breaks down 68% of the time. But in crypto, it happens to be a pretty damn good bullish pattern, and we see a lot of crazy things coming out of it. So the risk is worth the reward for this pattern, even though it doesn't give us the high probability rate that we'd like out of a bull pennant or a bull flag or a falling wedge. We all know those 68% of the time break up. This breaks down 68% of the time. And maybe they tried to make people believe it. You see what I'm saying? They know TA, so they're like, yo, break the falling wedge right here and make them think it's going to drop and get them to sell their Bitcoins. What they're thinking, what I think too, is so many people know what's up now. Like, I have my aim on, in my opinion, like, I looked at the weekly chart on Bitcoin and nothing they did phase me at all. Like, you saw me, I was never phased through this crazy dip. And the Bitcoin still holding 56 is kind of funny because it can easily go all the way back here to 65. And then it can come all the way back down to 58 again. And then it can go all the way back up. And by that point, it should break out. But it could even break out here, right? Usually you get 2 to 3 touches. And we're on the 3rd touch at the bottom of this channel. So shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you guys for coming on in. So here's the trade. If you're listening, if you're paying attention, your buy zone is really right in here. And we can get to the nitty gritty on a smaller time frame, right? But overall, buy zone in this area. Where should the stop loss be? Well, I would use this wick at 53,392, something like that. So let's see where that leaves us. And to me, it's all about percentage. So if I were to buy right now and make my stop loss below the wick, ooh, that's a little too high, 5% for a 16% gain though. You see? Yeah, so you get in for $500, right? You risk 5%. If you make it, you'll make $50. That's a trade you got. Someone, if you're a beginner, you know, that's something I would check. You know, you would just try the trade. You would get in here and just see if this trade works out for you. And that would be your first trade. Even if you made $50, it would be your first trade of your life. You'd be like, wow. Now, for us more expert guys, I propose 1% of your portfolio per trade, and I propose 32x leverage on this trade. And you get in right now with 32x leverage, $100 turns into 3,200 on the contract, perpetual swap, and then boom, right? You lose what? You lose 5%. No biggie. You know, stop loss that stop loss will probably be steeper with the leverage, right? Let's think. That's going to be, it's going to be a tough stop loss at 32x leverage. But what I would do is then you can only I'd risk like $50. The idea is leverage. Yeah, you'd have to lower the leverage on this. You have to lower the leverage, in my opinion, to about 10x. 10x leverage. That way you could have 50% stop loss at 5%. You lose $50. You win you lose you make 160%. And so that's now the trade's making sense. So 32x leverage, $100, no, a 10x leverage, $100, and take advantage of the trade. You know what I'm saying? And whatever, if you're more comfortable, whatever you sit at. But that's the trade of the day right there, kind of in my idea. And actually, not even the day. Trade for the next few days. Trade of the week, right? Bitcoin will make its way back up to the top of the pattern, okay? Now let's look at the 4 hour and see what we see. Well, already, too, look what we saw here, which is beautiful. Swing down to swing down. And if I go to the 30-minute, it's going to be real apparent. Look at this. Swing down to swing down. And so we had extreme bullish divergence, which what I tell you guys about all the time, it's the fundamentals. So when the whole world's telling you Bitcoin's going to crash, the Chinese stopped mining. You hear? I don't know if you heard that too. The Chinese, a bunch of their mining stopped overnight due to like energy crashing, and so that's why Bitcoin crashed. I'm just reading a bunch of crazy business, Safemoon's getting high on 420. Just got back from the doctor's with my granny. Off of to another one. I'm pleased to get a minute to tune in to this amazing content. When we land to the moon, bro, I bought Safemoon at 0074. I just bought 75 USD. I'm so happy with my buy. Shu Yang 9. I mean, isn't it amazing? Hit the freaking button, everybody. Don't be greedy. Yeah, hit that like button, man. I did 10x most time when I am super confident in the trade. I usually know rather quickly if my entry is bad. Ah, that's cool, man. Happy 420 to everybody that partake. Happy 420 to everybody out there. What a beautiful day. It's coming up to Earth Day too, isn't it? I mean, Earth Day is always around here, somewhere around here. So check it out. Swing low to swing low, swing high to swing high on the RSI, okay? Then we also go by my checklist. Is the price in a bullish pattern? And I'd say, yeah, because it was in a falling wedge, like so. Okay? Falling wedge, easy. Okay? Bullish divergence, bouncing, right? MACD turning. We were low stochastics. See what I'm saying? Even on the dip there. So, boom. And there's the divergence that propelled us up. And then we have bullish divergence yet again. We got swing down here on the price. And if you know your divergences, take a tutoring session with me. The link is in the description. Hit it on up. You can see my entire, it's very simple. You jump on in here, hit this. It brings you to my entire schedule. And anytime you want to see me, the 22nd, I'm open all day. 3 p.m., 3:30, boom. And you hit that. Remember, it's my time zone, though. My time zone. So if you're like in that's like that's what, 12:30 in Los Angeles. So if you're about, that's also 8:30 at night in the UK. So just make sure you know that it's my time zone. And yeah, but check that link right there and you will be getting tutored immediately. It's that simple. You don't have to think about it. Next thing you know, you're on the right track, on the right path to doing the right thing, getting yourself situated, and you'll be able to trade like me. It won't take you too long, and you'll be in my group, and you'll be enthralled. You'll have a group of people, a support system, and you'll call yourself a crypto lifer. So, welcome to the club. Swing down to swing down. Swing here. Yes, this may swing down, and we can even look at it. I like to double click into the oscillator. It doesn't. It swings up. And that, again, is bullish divergence. Whenever you see a different angle in the price compared to the oscillator, bullish divergence. Now, establishing divergence and figuring it out, too. Look. This is swing up to swing up. Swing down to swing down. This is bearish divergence. Okay? And then the price dropped. And it's funny, everyone's like, oh, why did Bitcoin drop? But there was bearish divergence before it dropped. Interesting, right? So, even though everyone says it's not the TA, then how come the TA said it happened before it happened? How come the TA said that was bearish divergence? Had we seen it on the 30-minute? So now you see that the 30-minute, despite the small time frame, it seems to have some strong divergence that you could pay attention to. It seems to have, right? Because look, that was a large drop. And the 30-minute would have told you right there. So that's why every once in a while, and not every once in a while, but I do use smaller time frames to get the gist of what's happening, to get the understanding of what I see, right? So I'd like to see Bitcoin stay above this pattern and stay above this trend line that we said was oh so important here. at 55,300, really 286, but we'll give it 55,300. Bitcoin needs to stay above this area, hardcore, right? Not financial advice, but what coin has the chance to make the most money, Rocket Moon or Safemoon? Honestly, man, that's like, at this point, Rocket Moon's smaller, so I would go with the statistical analysis, and Rocket Moon hasn't really done as much yet. But honestly, like, it's up to anybody's chance, right? We don't know. We don't know. We don't know. As much as I know, I don't know it all, my friend. And look, that's a big candle. That's a big green candle. Let's analyze that too. Look, let's see what's going on here too. So that's a nice big green candle for Bitcoin. It opened at 54,400. The high was 56,419. The low was 54,200. And it closed at 56,26, man. Shout out to Nikita Karaprova with the Canadian 10 beans, man. Much respect. Thank you so much for bringing it on in. Yeah, and let's take a look at Safemoon too, just so you guys can see where Safemoon's at. I know a lot of people want to know where Safemoon's at, just kind of. And look at this. Yesterday, I put out a trade for Safemoon. I'm not lying. Guys, check this out. Check this out. I'm sitting there about to go to sleep, right? I'm staring at the charts. I'm doing my thing. And this is my billboard, which my Patreon members get. And check this out. I'm sitting there, and I'm looking at Safemoon, and I say, Safemoon wants more. And this is the chart right here. We can juxtapose my two charts. Safemoon wants more. And like, it's just amazing that almost every night or every other day, I make a call that comes out. Literally 73% gains. And that's just to begin with Safemoon. Like there's so much more coming, I believe. But 73% gains. It keeps finding a base here. I had to go to the 15-minute really to find out what was going on. And once I tracked it, I was amazed. Now, the moving averages are getting loose. To me, that is time to exit the trade. It's a good time to get out of the trade, in my opinion. The moving averages are getting very loose. They got loose right here. Let's go back in time and try to see what's going on. So when the moving averages get tight, that's an entry. That's an entry point, okay? Tight moving averages are entry points. And you're going to start learning this on if you stay tuned with me all the time, and if you begin to stick with me as a lifer, you're going to figure this out. And it's simple. When you see my 5 moving averages, the 21, the 50, the 80, the 100, and the 200, when you see them this tight, when you see them this coiled up, there's a boom coming. There's something booming to the upside. All right? Boom. They boom out. And you would have saw me probably put a call out and say, hey, I like to buy at the bottom of the pattern here. I'm aggressive. I get in down here. I wait for a moving average to curl up and yada, yada, yada. So anyway, what a wick though, right? That was a crazy wick. And I remember when this thing first began, like it came out. I remember when we first got in right here and it just crashed. I remember these 3 candles right here. Look, I got in here at the beginning and we went up and then we came to 0 and everyone said it was over. They said it was over and they said, it's over, man. It's over. You guys lost, And I was like, damn, I lost all my money. And I was like, oh, well, whatever. And then it boomed up. And look, when the moving averages got loose and wide, Safemoon started to fall. But this one, it consolidated and still struggled. It still made it through. So that shows you strength. It fell down, but it still eventually made it out, right? And then boomed up again. And then when the moving averages got really far apart, now look how far apart they are. Like that's the farthest you've ever seen them. Safemoon again came down. But it consolidated nicely yet again into a beautiful bull. It's funny. It's just like Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin went down. Isn't this crazy? This is Bitcoin in a nutshell from 2000. Look, I know you guys don't believe me, but this is what I'm saying. Everything seems to be doing the same thing. Watch, you don't believe me? Watch this. I don't know if I can do a fractal because they're not on the same, right? They're not on the same time frames. And someone will be like, what does he mean? That's Bitcoin? Yeah, look at this. This is going to blow your mind. It just did a Bitcoin. That's all it did, which is crazy to like any, But look, this went up, came down into a trove, came up again, had a dump, and then powered out. Look, don't you see the similarity here? It came up, went down into a trove, had that dip, and then powered out. I'm serious. Like, it's insanity, but I'm telling you guys, like, it did the same thing. You would think we're looking at the same asset. Yo, these things are fascinating. This will blow your mind. You'll see that everything is moving in sync in these same patterns. You'll begin to play with the lifer. You'll begin to understand what I understand about trading, that it's all about the bowl. Once you can bowl something, then you start buying the right side of the bowl, and then you win, and you take the win, and you do it patiently in a Zen-like manner. You get what I'm saying? And you do what you got to do to make it. Like, it's just, this is intense, guys, but this is what it is. Like, it's so beautiful. And then look where you end up, on the high side of life, right? Waiting for your what? For the next bowl, because the bowl is coming, right? There's your sell-off right there, little sell-off action. People who felt the need to take profit. Just depends on where the bull will go. Will it come lower, higher? How big will it be? It'll be there. And then you guys can be there to catch it. And so this is the projection that we keep seeing over and over again. So it's only fit to feel that it will happen again. Here was the bull here. And you could put the bull in a pennant. It's all there, you know. But there it was again, right? And so we should see similar behavior, because this is what Safemoon has been doing. And it's small. We have to remember it's still not worth that much, so people can still get a lot of it. You know? So we'll see. We'll see. Mike B, thank you for the £5, brother. Riskmoon is still safe. About to start. Yeah, maybe. Riskmoon might be the next. Yeah, well, we got into Riskmoon last night. I got into Riskmoon. And shout out to, you know, put that out to my Patreons exactly when I got in, exactly for what I got in for. Exactly, man. To the T, right? Let me see. There's a 5-minute chart. I'm getting nothing on it. There should be I can't get anything less than that. Yeah, there's nothing left. We can't see it yet. Hasn't started yet, but we'll see what goes on with Riskmoon. So Bitcoin struggling with the 56 area, but I told you as long as it can hold that line, which I like to see. And again, look at the weekly. Weekly is extremely oversold, which is the strongest thing you want to see here. And there's a bit of, right, even in this area here, it's not huge, but there's a bit of, right here, swing up to swing up. Almost impossible to do because they're so, like, together there. Sorry. And we see hidden bullish divergence again right here, too, in this section here. Swing down to swing down, man. It's insane. We see, you know, and that propels us to the upside as well. And now we're flagging on the weekly. You see what I'm saying? So, like, everyone needs to calm down because, like, Bitcoin's doing great. I see a really big target for Bitcoin, and I'm about to give it out for free yet again. Most channels won't. They'll tell you, oh, they'll give this in a package or write a newsletter or charge you a bunch of money for this. I do it every single day, guys, for free. 2 hours a day, live streaming all day long. 14 hours a week, including making content and shooting videos, keeping you up to date with the latest, doing whatever I can. I just want to build a strong team. 115% right there, right? Yo, big props to the lifer. I'm up 6K on profits now on the trades in 24 hours, man. See that? Another happy crypto lifer, bro. All I ask is that you pay it forward to the world, right? And that you be good. That's all I ask, man. Be good to people. Be good to people. So I see Bitcoin going all the way up here, 115% to $118, guys. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Boom, sorry. Boom. Get that energy up. We're going to take a look at Ether in a second, too. Appreciate all the work you put in, right? XRP double bottom. Safemoon is changing mine and all my friends' lives. In total, 3 of my friends are up about 30K this week. Yo, shout out to Mike B, man. It's got to be a great feeling, bro. Shout out to Troy Ziegler. Appreciate all the work you put in. Thank you so much for the $4.99. No wonder why I wasn't getting your Patreon calls. What moon meme coin should I put some money in? What moon meme coin should I put some money in? You never know. I like Shiba. I was going to take a look at Shiba right now. I'm in Shiba right now, and no one's really talking about Shiba as much, but Shiba's doing good things. It was. She topped out over here, but that's a nice consolidation. You would expect it to bounce off the previous high right here as support. If it doesn't do that, it's even more bullish in my opinion. Trying to double top, that is a shoulder, head and shoulder. It's kind of a inverted head and shoulders, to be honest. I mean, not an inverted, it's actually a head and shoulder. Apologize. But I don't know. It seems to be in this bugle, right? See this? Which is a broadening wedge. Should make it come up, come down, come up, and then it usually wings out of there off of the support region right around. This is what they do technically, you know. And again, nothing is guaranteed, but this is what they tend to do. And then go out of the pattern with a retest. So we'll see. I don't know, that it could be that also. I haven't seen that pattern a lot. And I think it's just in this. Just in a beautiful pennant, yet again. And to me, that's very bullish. Right? With a large target. So it looks like Shiba Inu wants more, in my opinion. And look, it's also, I'm using the 15-minute on these little coins because it tends to be it tends to be in, you know, they're only a few days, 10, 20, 30 days old. That tends to be the hotspot, this 15-minute, you know. And I'm seeing them react really well to it. Safemoon gave us 73% out of the 15-minute last night on a similar call, very similar, something just like this, right? So guys, on the channel, we already gave it a Bitcoin call. Now I'm just kind of throwing out a Shiba Inu look right here. And again, don't do anything I do on this channel. None of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own research and do your own due diligence before you do anything in cryptocurrency. Remember, it is a high risk environment, highly volatile, and you also have to keep track of your own coins and your own seed phrase. Do not give your seed phrase out to anybody. Yesterday, we heard a horrible story of someone giving out their seed phrase. Like, someone's like, oh yeah, just give us your seed phrase. Like, come on, man. Like, you don't even give your wife your seed phrase. No, I'm just joking. But I'm just my mother-in-law who bought ETFs at 25 just sold all of them trying to buy back lower. I told my wife that's my buy signal. Bottom is in, bro. A lot of guys in Discord are pumping Safemoon, but I mean, Safemoon just doing its own thing, guys. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for jumping on in. We're looking at Shiba Inu right now, and we're going to go into many other things. We look at Bitcoin dominance, total 2 every single morning, and then we go through all your requests, guys. So let's get it going. Let's see. No wonder I was just getting your Patreon calls. Not a member anymore. Do you think Safemoon will go up today? Safemoon just came down on CoinMarketCap. But what kind of website are you using? Do you guys recommend buying with pancakeswap? Just got into Safemoon an hour ago. Will it rise back up? You never know. How do you guys buy Safemoon? A lot of people are saying these guys are in Discord, blah, blah, blah. Don't type your seed for anyone, anybody. BitBoy did a feature about Pancake, and it dumped again. What up, my brother Sam? Shout out to Torin, my dude. Damn, BitBoy. Why is he talking about my cake? We'll talk about cake in a second, but we just gave you a target for Bitcoin, 118,000. 118,000 here. You'll never see it on any other channel. There it is. We showed you bearish divergence. We also got oversold on the weekly RSI. I'm calling for a $118,000 Bitcoin. I'm calling as long as we hold this strong support, which the weekly is just really loving, which is right here. We have another strong support right here at about 44.3. That could hold us down, and another one really here at 30. But I don't really, so far, so good. We're holding these strong levels on the weekly. And guys, if you want to watch my live stream, it's every single day from 9:30 to 11:30 every single day, Monday through Friday. And you can catch it Saturdays at 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. for the weekly candle close on Bitcoin and shout out to everyone here on 420, man. Shout out to every single people, all the people here. So check it out, guys. We're going to keep it moving. We're going to take a look at ETH. We're going to take it to Ethereum. USDT, just so you can see the USDT price. What is Ethereum doing? What do I think is happening with Ethereum? We'll break it down. Well, I already did a trade right there, and you can see it played out kind of exactly how I looked at it. It was in a bull pennant. I suggested we would break out of the bull pennant, and we did. All right. Now, Ethereum's really just following Bitcoin in a way. We have a similar idea, similar channel. Can you look at Hungry Bear, new low cap gem? Okay, Hungry Bear. This is the second. I remember looking at this yesterday, actually. I also like Pi. We bought a little bit of Pi recently. I like what we're seeing with Pi, P-Y-E. It's extremely on the low. Hasn't hit an exchange yet. It's like, you know, pancakeswap is the place to be. I'm telling you right now, pancakeswap is the place to be. Okay, so we're looking at ETH. And usually this is what's called a rising wedge. We also see, look, shoulder, head, shoulder. Interesting, right? It did play out, then we came back on the low. I just like showing you guys the pattern so you can understand that I'm a pattern trader. Everything to me is about the pattern. It's how the pattern works. Look, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. They break to the upside. How do they break to the upside? You take the neckline of the head and shoulder, which is the line that you could draw like from basically the top of the head. It should really touch this line too, like that. This one was a bit funny. Then you would take the measured move down here like this and swing it up over to the right. Right? Bam. It stops there. That's the measured move. But we had a pattern. But what I'm trying to say is we did break out of a head and shoulder pattern. And we also could have negated it. Another funny thing is I think the algorithms could have picked it up like this. Because that is also the head right there. Right? And it had a lot smaller of a target. But there's a measured move in every single pattern that you're using all the time. Okay, guys? All the time. So I see Ethereum doing its thing, up, down, back at the bottom of the pattern, right? As long as it can hold this level, which it is. Look, 200-day moving average caught the price, caught it like a catcher's mitt. You see that? When you see the 200-day moving average catching the price like that, it's a pretty good sign that we could hold pretty well, especially after we went below. Usually we go below hard, then we go below a little bit, then we hold it tight, and then we start to make a move. Also, we want to see these moving averages get coiled up. We want to see them get tight. We want to see the 21 curve out. We want to see them all kind of force their way forward. And if they get tight and coiled up, that's a catalyst for a break to the upside. That's a very good sign. This is the easy way to trade, honestly, is to use the 5-day moving, the 5 moving averages here. The 21, the 50, the 80, the 100, and the 200. And whenever you see them get tight enough that you could like do like a dime size circle, little circle like this, like obviously this isn't a dime size circle, right? That's a big oval. But when you can make a nice tight little circle, and especially when you can make it at the end of a pennant, a falling wedge, any type of bullish pattern, you're setting yourself up for a beautiful move to the upside, right? So look at this, guys. This is when we started to coil up. Like this is a tight place to coil up right here. And if you see, we were clearly in this pennant here. See that? And the price in the moving averages got very tight, really tight. And that was your catalyst for a break to the upside. Here it is again. We have a falling wedge here on Ethereum, right? So what I do is I look for these patterns. I look for a pattern. It's almost that simple. I know you guys might look at me and be like, is it really that simple? And it is. I look for this falling wedge where the moving averages get tight and I begin to load up into the trade near the bottom of the pattern. I do the same things over and over again, so I get very comfortable with the fear and everyone, because usually this is the same time where we're getting a bit of a dip. And most people are kind of like scared and freaking out. And all I do is I get ready. I pull my bullish divergence, which you see pretty much right here, which is established right there, you know, a little bit. If we went to a smaller time frame, you can see it right there for sure, though. Swing down to swing down. And then the RSI stays flat and moves to the upside, right? What do you think about Ren? I like Ren. Can we go over Soj? Yeah, we'll take a look at Soj. Can't swap safe token at this time. Can you look at EasyFi? Yeah. PancakeSwap is killing me right now. We're getting Robin Hooded. Why? What's going on with PancakeSwap? It's not working right anymore? Damn, Hungry Bear is going nuts. Really? Lifer, have you bought into Light yet? No, man. I like Light, though. I have a tutorial today. Where do I find the moon info? I don't know. The moon info. Hi, India. Please suggest a few gem coins like Safemoon. Hi from India. Pancake is DDoS. All buy Safe Token and Safemoon. Really? Oh, wow. It just can't handle it, right? It's getting overrun, right? Damn, man. But yeah, man, we looked at Safemoon when it first came out. I looked at these DGen coins. And now what I think's happening, guys, what I really think is happening, no lie. And look, this is a cup and handle. And in my channel, I'm all about the cup and handle. I teach it, I talk about it, I build on it, we use it to our advantage. Whenever I see one, we play it. And then you scale it by taking that low price to the high price, throwing it up there, and cup and handles give you huge returns. See, look, whenever there's, look, see, and they're like, they get shot out. Like, I don't think there's a better pattern in the game than the cup and handle. Look out for my video that I did on Cartesian CTSI. Look that video up in my channel, and you'll see it's all about the cup and handle. I break down what I'm talking about, how it works, where it goes, all that fun stuff. So, as we see more TA and we see we're in this channel, right? I see Ethereum eventually just breaking on out of the channel and doing its thing too as well. Measured move for Ethereum. Swing down to swing down. Swing up to swing up here. And there we go. About $4,000 93 Ethereum, man. I'm calling for a 4K Ethereum. When? It says by, like, I don't know, late May. I don't know if that's possible though. I would say more like Ethereum, every call I make on Ethereum takes so long, you know? And it takes a while. It's like, so I could think it could take till like maybe mid-June. But I'm definitely looking for the double up, you know? Because now it only has to double up. See what I'm saying? Like 500 to 1,000 was wow. And then 1,000 to 2,000. Now it only has to double up. My bro, can you look at Ultra UOS? Would be cool to get your TA and general thoughts. It's not a low cap gem. Don't hold back. Alpha and Wink, please, bro. Oliver. Let's take a look at Hungry Bear. All right, we're going through some of these. Appreciate the work you put in. Let's take a look at Hungry Bear from my man Mike B. Start off with all these super chats and get them going here. Hungry Bear. I'm going to start with CoinGecko. I don't know if it's going to give us what we want, but I'm going to start with CoinGecko. Yo, are you kidding me? It's at 919 now? Guys, that's crazy. That's crazy, guys. It went up even more. It went up even more, man. Like, so how I track these guys is I don't trust it. I just go to pancakeswap. You see what I'm saying? With my address, and I try to sell the coin for USDT. Anyone else do whatever they want, but that's what I do. Like, I try to sell the coin for USDT. And so, like, I would connect to the pancakeswap, right? I would connect to pancakeswap there. Go to the exchange. And then I would go to the Safemoon in my wallet, right? Put it in. Yup. Wow, now they have a thing. They never had that before. Now they have like a warning sign for people, right? And look, it's taking a while. So I guess this is slow today, right? Real slow. I see what you guys are saying. So even if you wanted to sell your Safemoon, it would take like forever. Isn't that crazy? Because look, I'm trying to say someone's here trying to get rid of their Safemoon. It's like not happening. Cake's holding a strong level right now, guys. I really like what Cake's doing. I wouldn't stress it. We'll get back to this in a second. We'll let that load. We'll let that load and we'll get on. Make sure I'm on the right mainnet and all that nonsense. Yeah, but I see what you're saying. But yeah, it's just it can't handle it. They can't handle it. They can't handle the movement right now. Last night, Safemoon's doing something crazy because once it hits this, it's gonna hit 1, right? And then it's not that far from a penny at that point, like, which is kind of crazy. Because I never really thought it would hit a penny at this point, right? $619 million in volume on the day. It's up 10,000% in 30 days. Unbelievable, man. That's 100x, right? 1,000% is 10x. That's 100x, man. I think I did an 86x at this point. Actually, let's do. I got in at 9. I got in at 9, and it's at 919 divided by 9. I think I did 100. I did my first 100x, guys. I did my first 100x. I did my first 100x in my life. Right now, guys. I did my first 100x. I mean, maybe it's down up a little bit, depending, but at one point, I did my first 100x. I did my first 100x. I have to say it again, like, live on camera. I did my first 100x gain right now, today, on 420. I'll never forget it, bro. I'll never forget it. I did my first 100x. Yo. Stay humble, man. Stay humble. Stay grounded. Stay humble. Stay grounded. Stay humble. Stay grounded. I can't believe this. 102x, though. Like, I'm trying to, like... Yo. Yo. This is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, this was gonna happen in this space, man. This space is insane. This space is insane, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. All right, Hungry Bear, man. Hungry Bear, let's get to work. It's time to get to work for you guys. Enough about me. Hungry Bear. Where's that Hungry Bear at? I'll probably just have to Google it, right? Hungry Bear token. I gotta work harder. I gotta work harder. I gotta be better. There's so much more to do. CoinMarketCap, man, keeps doing them. Up 416% for Hungry Bear. Another one of these. Yo, this is a... Guys, I'm telling you, we're in a bubble. We're in a type of bubble. Like, I think this is gonna last like 2 to 3 weeks. 4 or 5 weeks. And then it's gonna go over. And everyone's gonna say, remember that bubble? Wow, that was amazing. I really think this is a bubble, guys. And... it's a fad now. At this point, pick your coin. Like, everyone has one. Jump into it. Shout out to everyone with 100 likes. And don't let YouTube take them away. Let's get to 200 likes today. Can we double the likes, man? Come on, man. My first 100x on live camera. This is a reality TV show as much as it is what it is. Like, this is insane. This is craziness. This is absolute craziness. Pancake swapping too, man. Pancake's still doing us, holding us down, right? Hungry Bear. Let's take a look at the site. What are they talking about? Bearonomics. Share, repost, retweet on social media. Be hungry via pancakeswap. 3% of every transaction will distribute it to all holders. 5% burn, 3% burn, 10% locked to liquidity for 1 year. 500 trillion tokens burnt forever, 50%. 1 quadrillion total supply. Functioning website, social media pages. Apply for BSCAN logo. Apply for Trust Wallet. Listing on Whitebit. Donations to the Grizzly Bear Foundation. Create relationships with YouTubers and influencers. Listings to different exchanges. Official Hungry Bear merchandise. Expanded charity contributions and partnerships. Hungry Bear. This guy gets... Yo, they must pay this guy so much, man. This guy does any... He'll do anyone. He'll do any one of those... So he's a good YouTuber possibly, but he'll do any one of them. Trust Wallet issue. There's an ongoing issue with Trust Wallet app with an inaccurate value showing your holdings. This is due to Trust Wallet having a delay when updating their prices. You are able to view the prices that Trust Wallet is currently using by clicking on Hungry Tokens. Yo, also, I stress Yield Watch, guys. A video coming out on Yield Watch. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to be putting that out later on tonight. Shout out to Mix Josh Soul for the $4.99. Much respect for the super chat, man. Thank you very, very much. We're going to get through all the super chats, guys. Hungry Bear, though, just showing you, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. We showed you the price. You guys know what it is. It's one of these tiny little coins that can make you insane gains, you know? Again, guys, this space could blow up in your face. You could go into these, and I only put 100, 200, 300 bucks, small amounts, and then once I had a lot, I put in a lot more. Safemoon took a dip to 800. This is just normal pullback on Safemoon. Probably is, man. I mean, coin's going up hard. Let's take a look at Safemoon. I lost my 100x. I'm only up 80x now. There's your dump. That's a nasty dump. Nasty dump for sure, right? Lost all the gains from last night. But that's cool. It's oversold now. We'll see what can happen. Might get bought back up too. You never know. That could be everyone's chance to get in. You'll see how hungry the bears are right now. We'll see how hungry the bears or how hungry the bulls are. It all depends. But this is resistance. This is resistance, which is previous top of the last resistance candle here. See this area? So that would be perfect support for it to build its new position. Yeah. So 0.005 end of year. That would be crazy, man. Yeah, but there you go, man. Safemoon took a dump. There you go. But still way up from even when I went to bed last night, in my opinion, right? Like, so. But thanks for bringing that on our radar. Let's get back into the super chats. Okay. 420, baby. Congrats, man. Thank you. Bro, can you take a look at Ultra UOS? Would be cool to get your TA and general thoughts. It's a low cap gem. Ultra and Alpha and Wink, please, bro, for Oliver. I got you, brother. Let's take a look at Alpha and Wink. Back to the charts. I see this going up to 4K, though, Ethereum. And I believe this is a beautiful buy zone. Why? I think this is a strong support area. You can see, look, we kind of bounced from it here, came below, got rejected, came up, bounced again. It's strong support. We're at that place, man, that walk. Either we break down. Now, there are bearish signs, right? This is a bearish pattern that breaks down 68% of the time. You know, if Bitcoin breaks down, this thing breaks down, okay? And there's a chance that, you know, there's a chance. By law, there's a 68% chance. By you know, statistical law of trading, there's a chance. 68% chance that this breaks down. But a 32% chance we stay in the pattern and we break to the upside, and then the reward is huge on that risk. So I take those risks because the reward is good. So like I would begin to accumulate Ethereum right here. And if you were truly, truly worried, you could put a stop loss like right around here in the middle of this, because I believe if it falls through that, it's going to bounce off support here. So that's my idea for Ethereum. I'm sticking to it. Let's take a look at Alpha and Wink. I heard Alpha was bleeding. Someone said in the chat recently. 165 was my recent buy. Wow, Alpha took a beat down, huh? Damn, man. Just fell out of my buy zone slightly. Didn't hit the stop loss. So if you got into the accumulation zone, still not too bad, right? We can open up the chart a little bit and say, okay, it's just still in this bigger pattern. Move the buy zone down a little bit, and I would still continue to accumulate here. I wouldn't give up on it. These prices are good when things are in bad shape. You know what I'm saying? It's when most people see we made the same thing, the Twisted Sister. I guess I'm going to call it that now. And you can see it didn't make it through the right pattern. It made it through the downward pattern. So far, Bitcoin's choosing the upward pattern. And that's something I started doing. I put it in two patterns, and I watch which it basically gives it a direction. Are you going to go up in this pattern, or are you going to go down in this pattern? And you can see it shows the downward pattern. And that's something new I just started about 2 or 3 months ago. I didn't always do that, but I find it extremely helpful because it's very similar to trapping the price like this inside of these trend lines. Very same concept, right? Very, very similar. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Much appreciated. Thank you guys so, so much. Do you see Laka? Let's see what's going on with the chat. 179 people, 122 likes on 420, man. You guys rock me. Yes, pancakeswap is killing me right now. We are getting Robin Hooded. Damn, man. It's that slow, huh? Come on, pancakeswap. Can't seem to do what it needs to do. Can you go to 1 inch? Try 1 inch. You know, did you guys try 1 inch? Go to the 1 inch exchange. That might help you out. When in doubt, go to 1 inch, baby. 1 inch exchange.io. You know, that might help your woes. I don't know, though. Can you look at EZ5? What do you think about Ren? These patterns work in bear markets. Yes, they do. They work in all markets. We're going to take UOS. We're going to take a look at UOS. So there's Alpha, man. There's my call on Alpha, and I still think it's going to boom all the way up here to about $4.31. So I wouldn't stress the Alpha buys up in these areas. I just see Alpha doing its thing. It's just forming beautiful consolidation. Again, like we just talked about, I talked about a bowl. You can throw this in a bowl. You're ready to go, man. You're ready to go. So Alpha, ready to rock, guys. Ready to rock. So check it out. Now we're going to get into Wink. Can we get to 200 views? Guys, send this to people. Share this, people. Let us know. We can get to 200 views today. I know we can. First time ever we can get to the 220. Stop loss below this line. This thing did touch a stop loss. Boink. But that's why you do that. Look, now you'd be at break even. If you bought back in, you'd be at break even. And what do we see now? I talk about this all the time on the 4 hour for Wink. The 200-day moving average now is moving into the pattern. That's my catalyst for a buy zone. So I would continue to get in. All right, here's another call on the channel right there. Just move your stop loss now to a new low. Like around, I'd find this place right there. And there would be my stop loss right there. I'd still play it close to the bone. Still a steep stop loss in the 4 hour though. I'd have to just stay below the trend line and hope that trend line holds. That would be my best bet. That wick action too, you could buy into the wicks. Okay. I'm still bullish on Wink. I think these are fine, man. They slipped a little, but they're fine. Also, we have falling price with falling volume. The MACD turning. We also see that the stochastics have double bottomed and are pushing to the upside. Some bullish divergence has been established as well. This also calls the divs for you if you can't find them, but they're already there. And there's bullish divergence, man. So I like this call right now, and it's forming the bull again, like we talk about on the channel all the time. It's forming a bull, beautiful bull. So I like what we're seeing here. Booming for Wink. This thing can do what it needs to do, man. Alpha and Wink. You took a look at Ultra. Yeah, we've talked about Ultra here on the channel. Someone gave me Ultra a while back. 888.81, and that's climbing back up now again. That's what it says. But we'll see. I believe it's going to climb right back up. I think today it's going to crack that one and go to the next. I just think it's too bullish now. The masses have it in their hands, and now it's before it was like a little well-kept secret. I'm talking about Safemoon. It was this little tiny little gem. Now it's out of control. Okay, market cap of $278 million. Not bad. 50 cents. Okay, rank 201. This is a very respectable coin. Let's take a look at what Ultra does. Let's talk about it, and let's kind of take a look at it on the charts as well. A new era for gamers. Ultra is the first entertainment platform providing a variety of games industry services under a single roof. Accessible through single login, discover, buy, and play games, watch live streaming feeds, interact with your favorite influencers, participate in contests, compete in tournaments, and much more. Be the first to discover Ultra Early Access. I think I signed up for this, and we'll see what happens, right? Early Access registration. I'm going to do that, though. That's really interesting. Ultra, bro. Looks pretty cool, to say the least, right? I think it's a great idea. I like it. Developers, 12% distribution fee. Interesting. Referral bonus, 15%. Be the first to discover Ultra. Sign up for a closed beta. Be discoverable for your game. Ultra ensures that your users can find your game with better tools for exploration and filtering. Reduce developments and time costs. Take advantage of the secondary market. It's easy to get started. You'll love working with the Ultra Dev Center because it's easy to use, exceptional in its feature set, and beautiful at look. Upload, update, and maintain versions of your software across multiple systems. Geofencing. So could I create a game with this? This seems very, very interesting. Unbelievable. It looks like I could create a game with this. This is unbelievable. Very, very interesting. Look at Ultra. Big market cap, though. Extremely big market cap. You know what I'm saying? Extremely big market cap. Google is backing that, right? Waiting for the coin to pump to take my family out of debt. That's what happens. 20K alone is a lot of money for me. I mean, I'm literally brand new to crypto as well, and I've been in it for like 2 months, and my life has already changed. KP Solo. Yeah, that's what happens, man. I don't know if it means anything, but does the Binance hot wallet have Safemoon BNB LP mean anything? Oh, that'd be awesome. Safemoon is back up. There you go. There you go. Right? Moonshot is booming. Unbelievable. That's enough to set me up for now. Guys, this is crazy what's going on with these little coins. Safe Token seems to be like Safemoon. There's way too many of them, man. Tenacious Tim, congrats, KP. Yeah, just rewind the stream, man. I'm crying in tears of joy, man. I turned 1,000 into around 70K, and I'm only 20. I want to buy more. Yo, KP, you're the man, dude. I know how it feels, bro. It's unbelievable, right? What a feeling. Like, it's insane. It's insane, man. Sold my alpha when it dumped to put more in Moon coins. Moonshot is up as well. Honestly, it's like no one wants. I'm just worried that people are gonna start dumping Binance coins to get into these coins. It's gonna be like a rush, like a gold rush to the gold spot. You know. Well, I found bug BTC exchanger. I posted a video. Interesting. That's good. I just want to say your Telegram group is awesome. I had issues this morning with MetaMask, and so many people stepped up to help. Unbelievable. See that? No, it's all about helping the beginner there. It's all about helping everybody.
I give you the thumbs up.
Thank you so much for the thumbs up, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Okay, give us a thumbs up now. All right. I love you, my love.
Make
Okay.
sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell.
Thank you so much. That's my I just pay a random kid. She comes in from the street, and her parent, she's a paid actor, and she says that every day, and that's the ad I run to make you guys. You know. Anyway, Zilliqua doing its thing, took a beat down, right, from that high of 25, beat down all the way down to 18. A lot of these coins just fell off the map. Interesting. Can we look at Moonshot? someone asked for, right? Moonshot, Shisha Finance, and Terrablock. Can you look at those? Anyone know SafeMoon's market cap? You can look at it on BSC Scan, I believe, right? Like if we go to SafeMoon, this is what I would do. If you go to SafeMoon, sometimes you can do this. Sometimes I've seen this happen. I don't know if it's going to happen right now. Look at it, it's back up again. It's going to hit that 9 again, and we're going to 100x yet again. But if you go to SafeMoon, right, and you click this, click copy here, you click the address. But then we go to BSC Scan, right? Paid actor, thank you, all you do, bro. Shout out to the $25. Thank you so much for Rollins for the $25 super chat. You're the man, dude. Much respect. Much respect. Thank you so much. Let's get that music back and running. I really like that list, man. I love that music. It was awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at SafeMoon now. That music is like, gets you really pumping, right? It's like, and yeah, you take a look at it. Total supply, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Market cap right there. 8.8 billion. 8.8 billion right there. See that? $8.8 billion. That thing's getting huge. But it can easily get up to the $10, $20 billion market cap. I mean, that's insane though, right? $8.8 billion market cap. So that's how you find the market cap if you can't find it anywhere else, you know? And look, 12 seconds ago, 12 seconds ago, 12 seconds ago. PancakeSwap. Like, this thing is like, yo, look at this. This is how you know you're in a hot coin. I've never seen this. 26, like, people are fighting to get into this coin. Like, this put crypto, SafeMoon put crypto on the map. SafeMoon put crypto on the map. Like, because of SafeMoon, every one of us will actually have more money because it brought in so many more people in here. Some tokens don't have a market cap on BSCAN. Can you compare with Safe Token? No. All right. We went over it. We gave you a Bitcoin trade already. We gave you a couple trades already at the beginning of the day. We're going to take a look at what else is going on in the market. Does this do the safe? This is slow too, so you got to refresh this a lot. It doesn't work too well. CoinTrader Pro, because it's free. It's completely free. But we should see a bounce up in the candle on the 15-minute now. No buyback up, no bot up yet. But this thing says it went to 16. This thing says it went to 129. I don't know, man. That's crazy. I don't know. Lifer, you're the man. Check out RX Raven X. Just want to make sure I didn't miss a super chat here. We did Ultra, UOS. I didn't look at Ultra on the charts. Let's take a look at Ultra. Shout out to everyone here on 420. What a beautiful day to be here, man. Love you guys. Love every one of you guys. You guys rock, man. Let's take a look at Ultra right now. So Ultra's just been in a downtrend completely. Nasty little downtrend, right? Let's get back into the 2 hour, 4 hour, something bigger though. But it's not doing bad. I mean, it came back up. Good time to buy. Today is a good time to buy a lot of these coins. When they're downtrodden and everyone's sad, you can't beat them. Best prices, man. That's how you make money. You buy now and then you sell later. How do you buy low when the coin's down, right? Also, let's look at the 4 hour. Ultra looks pretty good, man. This is a call. Like, I know everyone wants these moon coins now. No one wants to do anything real. They just want moon coins. That's all everybody wants. Everybody just wants moon coins. I just want a moon. I just want a moon. I'm naming my first kid Safemoon. I'm mad that I just had a kid and I called her something else. Shout out to PancakeSwap. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. If you want to learn more about how I do these things, how I do my deep dives on coins, I do consulting. I also do tutoring. If you want to come on in, it's so easy to do. Just come on here. It's $100 an hour. It's probably going to go up to about $150 an hour in the next month or two because it's getting crazy. The schedule is getting booked like insane. And but if you hit this link right here, it brings you to my booking. And this is my actual schedule by my time zone. And then you can find a place where you want to be on the chart. You know, say you want to do it next month. Say you're going away, but you're coming back in May. You can go into after May, wherever you'd like. But right now, here, the 29th of May, 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m. I'm open all day. You can get it in whenever you'd like. 5:30 p.m. Let me know. And once you hit that, it'll put you into a, enter your email, sign in, and you'll pay with PayPal and get a Zoom link sent right to you, automated in 2 seconds. Done. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, though. Thank you for that. Just wanted to plug myself, let you guys know that I do one-on-one tutoring. And what does the tutoring consist of? If you're a beginner, I'll sit with you and build this chart with you. I'll go over every indicator slowly. The MACD, the RSI, the stochastics. I'll back test them for you. I'll show you what the 5-day moving average is. I have an entire PowerPoint set up to bring you from A to B to show you what's going on. And I bring you through it really nice, and it's a beautiful time. So if that's something you like, let me know. But then if you're also an expert, I'll go over your portfolio. If you're a stock trader, but you want me to go over your coins, I go over the sectors. Then I just do consulting, portfolio consulting, where I'll go over your portfolio. We coin talk. We have a good time. Anything you want that isn't related. Some people want to learn how to stake. They don't know how to use MetaMask wallet. I set up the MetaMask wallet for them. I get them into Cake, talk about how to stake with Cake, or whatever they want to do, I don't get them into Cake, but I get them into whatever they're asking to do, right? If they want to, a lot of people say, hey, I want to stake Cake, but I don't know how. I show them the way, and that's what's consistent. So, yeah. Lifer, have you seen Next Moon? I want them 100x coins. Everybody just wants the next 100x coins. Honestly, my Patreons, I just gave them a list of the top 600x coins that I just gave. So if you want to join my Patreon, that's where you're going to get the most, bam. Join my Patreon, hit it up, and select the membership. Right now, the $99 membership gives you complete access to everything I'm doing all the time, every day, right? The $25 membership gives you access to my trading charts and calls only, which will still get you so paid that you can then easily jump into the $99 to get even more paid. The point is, you should only stay in the $25 for like a month, and then you should be ready. Everyone should get so much money that paying $99 a month for the service and the clan should be like, honestly. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to pay you guys before you pay me. That's the plan. This channel's trying to pay you before you pay me. That's what I'm trying to do every single day here on the live stream, all right? I never use Patreon. Is the information saved or only live? It's all saved. There's all my posts are there from way back when. My entire portfolio that I posted 2 months ago. We also do a live stream on Discord with everybody. It's like a group Discord with the ultimate Patreon, the $99 Patreon members. We do a Discord together. That's going to be tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Wednesday nights at 8 p.m. We're going to do it weekly. So a weekly live stream with the paying Patreon members where I go over all your, it's a more intimate group. We can see each other, talk to each other. It's a back and forth talk discussion on Discord. I really like it. So I suggest you jump on in, man. It's going to be great. Hungry Bear might 100x. Guys, yeah, so we went over a good coin, Hungry Bear. Check out Hungry Bear. Lifer, can you look at Raven X, RX? Well, I know Raven Coin, but is he talking about something different? Raven X. Let's take a look at what he's saying. Raven X. Look at this, back to 900 again. This thing's a beast. Raven X. Here it is right here, RX. There you go. Okay, 3 cents of a penny, no market cap, $320 million on the move. It's got some good volume for the day. I like it already. It's using some of the graphics that I like to use. Raven X charity token, a token with an actual use case. More than 4.4 BNB, 23 USD already donated to charity. The problem, the lack of utility in the BSC ecosystem. There's been a lack of RFI type products lately, but none of them have an actual utility. There's been a bunch of RFI that would make there's been a bunch of RFI type projects lately, but none of them had any actual utility that would make the project useful long term. Our solution is to make a token that will not only apply a 2% burn fee and a 2% distribution fee, but also a 2% swap of tokens for every transaction to a BNB and send it to Binance charity donation wallet. RavenX will have a more sensible total supply of 500 million tokens, and a total of 4% will be gradually unlocked over 10 days to provide market funding, while the 4% of the team tokens will be locked for 6 months. That's nice, so they can't dump on us. Total supply 500 million RX. Marketing 200 million locked. Team 200 million, 20 million locked. 20 million locked for the team. Pre-sale 250 million. Listing 200 million. Pre-sale, they're gonna dump on you guys. See, half the coins come out on pre-sale. See, 6% transaction fee will be split to 2% per and 2% redistribution fee and a 2% donation fee. Pre-sale details will be held at the DX sale. For instructions how to buy the pre-sale, view instruction post on our Medium link. Roadmap, waterfall bot, price bot. Interesting. It's cool, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it's cool that it goes for charity. I just hope they do what they say they're gonna do. Tiny little coin. I'm not super impressed by it, right? 6,000 members in their Telegram. It's moving though. They're getting some buzz. It's good. We're seeing some buzz on that. That's not bad. Okay, what's going on here? End of the month. Pre-sale already happened. It's mooning. I'll be scheduling you for pancakeswap. I have everything set up. I just want to make sure it's right. Anytime, Drew. Anytime, bro. Safe Galaxy, man. You guys are hilarious, bro. There's Safemoon, Safe Galaxy. It's funny. I wanted to buy Safe Mars the other day, too, and I didn't. This stuff is going to make a lot of millionaires. Glad to be back. We'll definitely be there on the Discord tomorrow night. I'll be back in the hospital, but everything is moving in the right direction. So sorry to hear that. So sorry to hear that. SafeGalaxy.net. Intergalactic Static Liquidity Pool. Join thousands of investors traveling to infinity and beyond. Where to buy. Live chat. Current price 001 and moving. Look at that thing. 36,000 holders. Liquidity locked. Liquidity generated. 4.1 billion, right? Market cap with a cap. That's funny. Community focus, ground mindset. Making money is great. Making money together is better. We choose to share our success in the world with an effort to better the lives of the community, their families, and their bank accounts. We are young, ambitious developers looking to make an impact. Our team is comprised of members who look beyond the stars and the furthest reaches of what many dream is possible. Safe Galaxy, roadmap, Sector 1, Sector 2, strong focus on Commonwealth, blah, blah, blah. I'm not like, deflationary static yield farming automatic liquidity generating token on Binance Smart Chain. This means the supply of Safe Galaxy will shrink over time. You can farm more tokens simply by holding Safe Galaxy in your wallet, and there will always be a liquid market for Safe Galaxy. Safe scams. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of crazy, right? It's kind of crazy. Back to the boring old game that we used to play, CHZ. Right, it's so funny. Let's take a look at CHZ though. I like CHZ a lot for the USDT pair here. I'm gonna go to the USDT pair on Binance though. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for jumping on in. These moon coins are literally helping educate the youth about astronomy. It's true though. That is a goal. I did like Soj Finance. I got into Soj. Let's see if we can track Soj right now. Soj was interesting, right? It just did something different than a lot of these other little coins. So I found it very interesting. Okay, wow, we're in a bit of a cup and handle on Soj. You see that? Not bad. So let's take a look. There's your cup. Doesn't let you go further when the price isn't there. Isn't that funny? It's the abyss. It's like the Truman Show. I can't go in there. It's the end of reality. But wow, I'm going to make a call. Like Soj Finance, I know you guys may not believe this, but this does have TA on it. These crazy little coins seem to have some TA, and this is what I see happening here. Seem like it's going to break its all-time high and pump pretty nicely up out of this channel. And it's a tiny coin. It's one of these deflationary tiny coins, but this coin you can like control a spaceship with, right? So pretty interesting, man. Pretty interesting. Shout out to the 5 pound Jesse Herman. Do you think China unbans crypto? The Chinese coins like Neo and Vet will boom? I didn't know they had banned crypto, man. I don't think they had banned crypto. Is crypto really banned in China? They all use it anyway, man. I don't know. I don't think so. They all use it anyway, so I don't think it matters. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. I'm just putting out a call here. Look, I'm looking at. I like these cup and handles, and this is Soj Space Hoj Soj Finance, right? Soj, and I did a video for it recently. I just want to talk about it again. I think it can go up even more. And I'm not even shilling it because I'm in it. I have a little bit in it, not a lot. And I'm not really even, it's not about that. It's more like I see an actual cup and handle that can break to the upside. So it's very interesting. Little high overbought, getting overbought on the 2 hour. Let's see what we see though on like a smaller time frame. 1 hour. 1 hour is also a little high. It says it wants to go sideways for a little longer. So it could be in this channel here too as well. Come back down to the bottom of the channel one last time. Might be your buy zone. Just something to think about here for Soj Finance. Okay. Just put that on your radar. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, guys, I think Safemoon is literally going to the moon, man. Like on some craziness, you know. And the wallet seems to be working again. Unbelievable, man. Safemoon, man. Unbelievable. I need 10x on Safemoon to get to 1K. That's crazy. I think that's easy. So I'm here so my wife will like me. It's a good idea. We were talking about that yesterday. AdBank, see some new releases over 100K extension downloads in quick TA on ADB, please. AdBank. Let's take a look at AdBank. Let's see what he's talking about. I need to know kind of what it is real quick for a second. AdBank. Oh, yeah, we did talk about it recently. I remember now. I remember you. I think you brought it up recently. I don't know when we're planning to sell Safemoon. It's insane. Never, man. I don't know. $7 million market cap. I like it. Number 1016 out in the big time. Thank you so much for Vapor Smooth for that donation. Bam, I could catch it. Oh, I got to put the jar out, man. The jar wasn't out today. Come on, man. I'm slipping. I'm slipping. I think if I get it out and fast enough, we can catch it. There's my jar. Oh, we caught him. We caught him. We caught him. Oh. Yes. Okay. Safemoon is wife changing, bro. It is. It really is wife changing. Hey. I meant life changing. Excuse me. I didn't mean to. So wrong, man. No, shout out to all the women out there. I have a twin sister, an older sister, a daughter, and another daughter. So I've been surrounded by women my whole life, man. I'm connected to one as a twin. So shout out to all the women out there. If it is wife changing, it just means like it was supposed to happen. It was what it was. You know what I'm saying? Safemoon removes the bear goggles, man. It's crazy, man. Safemoon seems to have stalled past hour. Whales selling. Will it hit 900? Shout out to the $3 super chat from Tenacious Tim, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live. We're going to look at AdBank right now. You guys are hilarious, though. You guys are hilarious in the chat. The chat's popping off, man. I love y'all. AdBank. AdBank for Bitcoin on KuCoin. Wrapped Ether. I'll go for the Bitcoin pair, if that's okay, unless you're not feeling that. So look at AdBank. It boomed, came down, formed this bowl, formed a cup and handle, boomed out of the handle, formed a second candle, and now it's kind of just triple handling, if that's kind of funny, right? And it's in like it's in a broadening wedge too. You see this? Which is a pretty bullish pattern. It kind of fell out of it though in a way, right? Like we got to say it was in this. Unless we kind of raise this up even. We could do a little something like that. But to me, it fell out below the 200. But it's oversold on the 4 hour. Telling me it's going to come back to the upside. Probably break back into the pattern. And continue its strange behavior here. But it's a broadening wedge. We haven't seen this a lot. That's all. We just haven't seen this pattern a lot. It does come down, and it should then test this area and bounce on out. This is what we see a lot with the broadening wedge. This is what is supposed to happen textbook style, right? Okay, 68% of the time. Does it always happen? We don't know. But there's a high probability that they could. We're looking at the 4 hour and we're looking at the daily. They're both extremely oversold. I mean, that's when you want to begin to get into a trade. So this is actually a really nice, in a nice buy zone. Funny pattern we haven't really seen a lot, though. We don't see this a lot. And again, you can always kind of... And it's definitely in a falling wedge as well. Like so. See? And you can say, well, it wants to break out. And at least test that all-time high. And then it has some support and resistance as well. Okay? But extremely oversold on the daily time frame, right? So it's beautiful. Then you go to the 1 hour, I mean... And it still has momentum, and it's at the bottom of the thing, it still has momentum. I'd like this a little lower, but you can't get them all. I mean, you're getting the 1 hour and the daily in your favor. MACD about to turn to the upside as well, and we're at the bottom of the pattern. So this is looking pretty good. AdBank, man. That's where I established myself, and there's bullish divergence as well. Like if we go to a smaller time frame, probably a 15-minute, I'll look for that bullish divergence. And there it is, hardcore. Look at it. And this is key, guys, to learn your divergences. Like anyone come on my channel, Mitch Ray, any of these big dogs watch me, they would know that this guy knows his fundamentals. This guy sticks to the script. I don't play. There's your entry right there. So that's actually an entry I make. Because you get a candle to close, you get the establishment. The second two candles just let you know, give you the more confidence that the divergence happened, and now you can enter into the trade at 1,500 satoshis on AdBank. AdBank has some new releases, over 100K extension downloads. Quick TA, yeah, thank you so much for that. Phil Swift, for all the wives out there, brother, $4.99. Yo, my wife is awesome, man. What a great wife. Wow, a twin brother, a sister hanging out from birth. That makes so much sense at Crypto Lifer. I had a friend of mine that says we should sell everything for crypto, even your wife. It's crazy, right? It's crazy. Wow, man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, let's get the tickers going, man. RSR, probably going to be huge. I like RSR. You guys are hard on RSR. I'm seeing a lot of RSR up in there. Let's see what's going on with RSR. Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Can we get to 200, man? I said we can. Watch this. I summon the energies of the world to come to the Crypto Lifer channel and to summon us past 200 viewers a day, on this day. We may blast off into the abyss, man, and never look back. This day will be the day this channel explodes to new heights. Hello, I found bugged BTC exchanger. I posted a video. Okay, cool. Wow, the chat's like slow because it's got so much in it. It's crazy. There it goes. Ignalia. Is it doing its thing? KCS, their own chain is imminent. I like that. I like what you're saying. I like what you're saying there with the chat. Chat is bubbling, guys. Chat is bubbling right now. Okay, let's take a look at RSR for you. I got a lot of work on it. I'm just going to delete it and start fresh. All right. Let's take a look at on that 4 hour. Get a look at what we're seeing. Right when you get into a trade, right when you look at something, right? It's all about putting support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. Fundamentals, guys. The fundamentals will carry you through. They really will. And then I'm trying to see what I see. Do I see anything different? Sometimes I even flip the chart upside down. It just gives me like, you know, I just start playing games in my head. Okay. So look at that. RSR is when it was in a head and shoulder pattern that broke to the downside. And then you see it come up to the upside, bam. And there's your, hold up. So here, you have your left shoulder, bam. You have your head, bam. You have your right shoulder. That could have broken to the downside even more. It didn't. It got to bounce up. You know, it was a 68% chance, 32% chance that we were saved. Also, double bottom on the stochastics. That's a good sign to me. So now I break it down in the smaller scheme of things. Bit of a sideways double bottom here, right? Do we see the divergence? We do. We see bullish divergence. Swing down to swing down on the price, right? If this, you know, it's the same as the trend line. I'm just putting it out here just to kind of differentiate it so you guys can see what we're talking about. And then this is, even if you zoom in here and this swings down, which it does, it's not half as sharp as the rest of it. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's a lot flatter. That tells me that we could break to the upside on some serious business here, right? And crush this high here and go to, I think that's all-time highs, which I do believe it would be. So that's what I'm looking at on the 4 hour. And then, you know, we can start from there. That would be our starting point. And then we want to see this, you know, buy off. If you miss that, then you wait for this to retest this area. You buy off the retest and you're off to the races and you boom on out, right? About to have a cross on the MACD. We're looking really nice. Double bottom here on the stochastics RSI. Things are looking beautiful for RSR. It really does. Now, 1 hour as well looks pretty nice to me. We just got to get, we got an inverted head and shoulder here, right there, beginning to form. Shoulder, head, make that little right shoulder and get us on out of the pattern. So far so good. I'm seeing bullish nature. Falling wedge, 68% chance to break to the upside. Price came down to the bottom of the wedge. We had bullish divergence established as well right there. A smaller set, as you can see. Not the best, but a smaller set. Slight bullish divergence. Just 4x Shiba. That means I wonder what I did with Shiba if you just 4x with Shiba. Right? So look, this is how I find out what I'm in a coin. The best way to do it, honestly. I mean, I guess you could look at look at wallet swaps and all that other fun stuff too. I'll go to the Ethereum mainnet, right? And then we'll go over to Uniswap. Oh, you can even use 1inch, man. 1inch is even better. Because 1inch shows your wallet on the low. So watch, go to 1inch. Watch this. Go to 1inch. I always forget the inch. The 1inch exchange. Should have all this bookmark too. Bookmark your stuff, guys. Don't be a clown like me doing this. Go to the 1inch exchange. On the Ethereum mainnet. Make sure we're connected. And then you just go into the wallet, like down here. And it should show you, look, my Shiba's $3,700. I mean, that's crazy. I put $200 in there. Like, that's a 16x, right? I can't get over this stuff, man. If only I had put, I didn't know we were in a 16x, I would have put like, and I usually put 2 G's in it, 1 to 2 G's in this stuff too. So, damn, man. So what I would have had if I put, I would have put in like 5x more. Yeah, I would have like 16K right now. Anyway, we're in VRA. It's weird. Now, the regular trades seem kind of lackluster to me. It's so strange. You know, like Essentia, hoping for a 10x now. I'm just sitting here like, Safemoon blew my mind so much that like, I just really don't know what's going on. Like, I'm just kind of like, what the hell? It's pretty weird, you know? So yeah, the 1inch exchange is a good place to see what's going on in your wallet. You know what I'm saying? I like it. I like it. I want to see if we can do the same for Safemoon. I'm going to switch to Binance Smart Chain and then swap it on my wallet here. Shout out to everyone that came into the live stream. Guys, thank you for jumping on. It's 11:19. 9:30 to 11:30 is the show. We started a little late, so I'll go a little late. You know what I'm saying? I'll give you guys what you deserve every time, all the way. We'll get back into the chat. We'll get back into the tickers. I just want to see what's going on with Safemoon while we're here. It is a live show. This stuff is happening live. So $28,000 right there. It shows the Safemoon. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And then I threw in another like couple grand after I doubled up. So once I doubled up, I felt comfortable. I put $300 to test the waters, right? And then once I doubled up and I tried to feel comfortable about it, unbelievable. It's weird. If you have different accounts though, it's not reading it. Like, how do you get 1inch to read other accounts? You see what I'm saying? Like, and again, we keep forgetting too that we keep getting more Safemoon because, you know what I'm saying? We're like, maybe you have to connect and disconnect. I think that's all you have to do, right? Disconnect. And then I'll reconnect. Nah, it keeps going. You know, because I have different accounts on MetaMask, but the 1inch wants to keep connecting to the main account, even though I'm in a different account even. I don't know. We'll figure it out another time, I guess. But, you know. Shout out to everyone here watching on the live stream. Do you think China unbans crypto? No. Wrong chat box. Old chat box. Okay, even dump is a bigger bag for us. Yeah, I know. I'm watching it on a mobile now. Like, this is crazy. My friend tried to buy Safemoon and their order got canceled on pancakeswap. Wow, you need 12% slippage for Safemoon. Orders are getting canceled on pancakeswap. You can't even buy Safemoon on pancakeswap. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, you probably can. People just need to learn how to do it. Congrats on Safemoon, man. Amazing stuff. Do you think Moon Token will do this the next Safemoon? I don't know, man. I don't know. We got into Risk Moon. We got into all sorts of business. I gave it all to my Patreon, so join my $99 Patreon. Honestly, all my $99 Patreons made like $10,000 off a few $100. So they literally, if you were worth $400 or $500, you join my $99 Patreon. Next thing you know, you were worth money, man. It's insane. Anyway, shout out to everyone here on the live. Let's keep it moving. how is the rest of the market doing? Let's see what's picked up on Binance. Let's see what's big on the day, and we'll look for some low hanging fruit. I just AXS doing its thing at 15%. Kin token back up in the game. I hold a lot of Kin, been holding it for a long time. Cody USD starting to make a big move down all the way to 29 though, double. And actually, I mean, that's an inverted head and shoulder. It's starting to move. So we're seeing the shoulder, head, and we're making the right side of the shoulder. So I think it's just going to take like a couple days for these coins to recover after such a beatdown. I mean, they took a beatdown. That was a huge boom down. Let's take a look at the entire market cap because that affects everything. All these little coins, Safemoon, everything that we're in. Total is the entire market cap of all the cryptos. Total and total too, something we want to go over every day. Get back to the basics. These crazy coins have been just doing insane things, right? So there's an idea here, right? That we're just we're doing our thing like we always do. You know, we're restructuring. We're restructuring. There's the fractal that I grabbed. And it looks pretty similar. And to me, it suggests that we took our dump. See the dump. It happens every time. Where did I take the fractal? I'll show you. From this dump down here, like that. We dump. It's like an upside down horseshoe, right? So we dump. We'll probably consolidate. And then I think we're going to boom to the upside. Break through 2 trillion. And continue on up on this journey. And then I have a bigger target all the way up here to the next pullback at 3 trillion. We hit 3 trillion. We're going to have another big pullback. That's going to be one of these, But I say that was our last nasty. I think that was the nasty weather, guys. I think we're okay. Total 2 suggests the same. Daily is now oversold, which is beautiful. Weekly is also kind of bouncing off the oversold region. When the daily and the weekly are both oversold, I believe it's a beautiful thing. Let's take a look how what we're doing. We are getting a push down here, but I believe that's just going to make a double high as we break ourselves right up. But for a little while, we have a little bit of green, a little bit of red action now. So we're going to take a look at that weekly, and you can see the weekly's following Bitcoin because Bitcoin does hold about 57% of this or more. And it's still doing a beautiful rising wedge, which I believe is going to break parabolically to the upside, even on the weekly chart. The weekly chart is going to have a parabolic look to it. It's going to be insane. So look out for that. Look out for that. That's what I see happening. It sees elongate is consolidating while Safemoon is dumping. Do you think people are switching to elongate? Nah, man. I think you're just making weird assumptions. What do you see Safemoon dumping? People just couldn't buy or sell Safemoon for a second. Now they can, so they got freaked out. They probably started to dump a little bit. I don't think that's a dump though, unless it's probably lower than I think it is. Maybe, who knows? Let's take a look at elongate. I did get into elongate too. This could be the next journey to the upside. Who knows? Oh my gosh, this thing exploded. Oh my gosh. You weren't kidding. Let's see. Is elongate on pancakeswap? Or is it on... I forget which elongate is on, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 211 people watching, man. We hit 211 people, man. You guys rock it out. But look at... We got elongate booming. I got into elongate as well. This is something I threw some money down here at the bottom of the bottoms just when it started. You know what? When I heard about it a month ago, I thought it was a joke. I thought I would never buy any of these crap coins. I honestly was like, no way. I'm not touching this stuff. I did. And then I got into Safemoon for a little bit of money, and it turned out to be great. And then I did something again. It turned out to be great. And now I'm just like, we talked about Hungry Bear earlier today. That's something you may want to take a look at. And again, don't do anything we do on this channel. None of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and make sure that you're taking care of your wallet. It was a deep dump just before. Half my wallet was empty. Shall I buy Safemoon now? Safemoon. Andrew Betancourt. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Thank you for jumping on in, man. Shout out to everyone here. 211 people watching, 176 likes. Can we get up to 200 likes? It'll be the first 200 likes this channel ever received during a live stream. You will be part of a milestone. We could NFT it, maybe make a kind of a NBA snapshot out of it. Yeah, YouTube snapshots. You know, today I hit my first 100X of my entire life. So I'm joining the 100X club for the first time in my life today. Shout out to everyone here. Much respect. Much respect, man. Perfect time to buy Safemoon. Buy a light. Give us a nice buy a nice whale. Buy some light. Nice discount. We do like Light. Light is going to be hot. If you're just coming into the channel, I looked at Light yesterday, and Light is hot. Lightning Network. It's going to be hot. It's going to be a cloud. It's just, I know it's going to be, it's a good, Light is unbelievable. Check it out. Lightning is bringing decentralized venture capital to Binance Smart Chain. Learn more. Get incubated. Lightning protocol, bro. Lightning is bringing decentralized venture capital to Binance. I mean, this is insane. It's an incubator, right? Apply for incubation. Ooh, I'll apply. Look, Telegram ID, program website, program Twitter, GitHub, number of teams, status. Have you raised funds? Does your token require KYC for investors? I can't wait, man, when we're making our own token. A decentralized venture capital ecosystem. Decentralized venture capital is an untapped niche in the crypto space. Experts provide exclusive guidance to empower creators. Access to hand-selected resources like funding, marketing, design, man. This is really cool, bro. Deflationary supply elasticity protocol. The Lightning Cycle. The Lightning Cycle is the entire deflationary cycle comprised of two phases, Lightning Squeeze and Lightning Rebase. Lightning will go through a total of 156 unique Lightning cycles. Check Safe Tesla on Pancake. Yo, that's kind of cool, man. I have to admit, Safe Tesla, that's pretty hot, bro. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Safe Tesla on pancakeswap. How long till Binance is back up? Binance is down too right now? I didn't know that. Check out Safe Sex token. Lots of slippage required. Kidding. Oh, man. You had to do it, right? Sorry to the young kids here. Jesus. Shout out to Safe Tesla on pancakeswap. Let's take a look at what he's talking about. Safe Tesla. FTT token for the FX exchange. I love the FTT token, man. Shout out to Oi Rodney for the 777 pound, man. It's going to hit the screen eventually. My latent, there it is. Boom. Thank you so much, man. Much appreciated. This is a good, I mean, I talk about exchange tokens all the time. I've made a video about this as well. This has been on my radar for a while, but this is the FTX token for the FTX exchange. We got in at about $31. It's about to do 100%, doing its thing. $4.3 billion market cap. Yes, it has a big market cap, but Binance Coin, when it was around this price, was here, and then it boomed all the way to like a $48 billion market cap and went all the way to $500, $600. It's an ecosystem of the FTX exchange. It's a whole world. It's an environment. This token is definitely something you want to have on your radar. It's going to be like a stable coin to me that makes money, honestly. I really like this coin. It represents the FTX token, which is the FTX exchange. The token is FTT. Just remember that. Don't get confused by FTX. The token is FTT. $48 right now. Huge market cap. This is by no means a low cap gem. This is not a deep dive at all. It's a well-known coin a lot of people know about, but you might want to transfer some of your funds into it. I believe it'll keep them, secure. I think if you make some money, this might be something you want to kind of continue to dollar cost average into through the bull market and then sell off when it does a 10x. It's like a savings account that will 10x. You want some strong coins that you can create savings account in that you also believe will 10x while you do all these other crazy other things. You want to have a balance to your entire portfolio so you know where you're at, where you're going, and what's happening for the day, right? Just make sure you know what's going down. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you so much for coming on in. Much respect to every single one of you. Love you all for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. 183 people. Can we get to 200 likes? I believe we can get to 200 likes. I really do. This is unbelievable. We summoned the powers of the world. You saw that to get to 200, and we nailed it. We nailed it. Is Binance allowing withdrawals now for BNB? It might be. It wasn't last night. Unizen is the next FTT. Yo, we looked at Unizen. I think it's really interesting. Unizen is a good idea. I like it. The ZCX token. And has no market cap at $2.87. This thing's pretty interesting, guys. The Smart Exchange Ecosystem, a new class of digital asset exchange that provides global traders and retail investors with access to exciting blockchain projects through combined functional of a secure SEX and a DEX, all driven social sentiment, indicators and Binance level liquidity, all in one seamless user experience. Elongate is hot right now for sure. It really is. It really is. I had some Elongate in my wallet. Where is it? Elongate. And you know what it is too? I love these coins when they're on the Binance Smart Chain, right? Moonshot is doing good. Back up there. Doing its thing. Right? Did a double up or triple up in the last few days, last few hours. Moonshot. It doesn't. Interesting. Was Elongate an ERC20 token, or was it on the Binance Smart Chain? Or that's what I'm trying to figure out. I just figured, you know what, man? I'll be part of the Elongate family. Why not? Up 158%, 66667. That's awesome, right? Binance Smart Chain. So I have it. Oh, that's why. Maybe it's not reading it now. Is there a way to stake Doge the same way we stake Cake and Doge Yield? You know what? Let me find you something. I'm going to find you something that nobody knows about. A lot of people don't know about this. So I'm going to find out for you. Watch this. I'm going to give you guys, if you guys stay tuned right now, I'm about to give you a gem. All 200 of you, stick with me. Stick with me. Even though the show's winding down, stick with me, guys. All 200. Ah, we lost it. We lost it. Damn. The Elongate website. Full Send Crypto. PancakeSwap. Doge on Flare. F Doge. Yeah, it's pretty cool, too. Oh, do you think Safemoon can hit Binance in a few months? I don't know, man. There's talks of something else happening earlier than that. You never know. You never, ever know. Can't see where my Elongate is. I have to go to PancakeSwap to check it out. I'll look at it in a second. I just wanted to show you guys something that was really, really interesting. So Elongate, man, it's doing its thing, man. It's doing its thing. It's gone. It's gone. That's one of the tokens I really didn't even like look at the website too much, right? EG, it's got a dope, you know, someone came up with this, people move fast in the space. People move fast in the space. The Telegram's probably popping off. Yeah, it is, man. Yeah. I love the Elongate family, bro. I'm in that family, man. Why not, dude? Why not? Such a big family. Such a big family. So total 2 slipping below the $2 billion market cap, $2 trillion market cap. Can't hold that level right there. We'll see what's going on with that. Wednesday, Binance Safemoon. Yeah, there's a chance that Safemoon goes on Binance on Wednesday. New CEO for Binance. That's crazy. I'll spend $25 for my gain to get your Patreon. Gonna get the $99 one once I get to 10x. I know, but you'll 10x faster. That's the whole point. But whatever. I get you, man. I get you. It's all good, man. I just want you to be happy. I'm buying safe Tesla. Look at this kid. He's getting in there. He's getting in there. He's like, nah, I can't take it anymore. I'm getting it in. I know. It does show billboards. Are they real, though? The new CEO is from Coinbase. That's interesting. That's really interesting. The CEO, new Binance Coinbase connection here. Very interesting. Very interesting. All right, let's take a look at Total 2, which is the entire market cap of all the altcoins. That's the last thing I want to look at. One of the last things. Total 2, man. And it's in this beautiful upswing right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at it. It's just like on the weekly. Get rid of all my work here. On the weekly, this thing is just beasting, right? It did have this high, so we have resistance. This is weekly support and resistance. Candle close right there. And then we have a candle close right there. So strong support at $890 billion, right? So we don't want to see that drop. It's kind of playing games right now, but it is low on the weekly. So it tells us we can go to the upside. And it's getting oversold in the daily as well. The daily is resetting. And it's playing with this strong support region. And you can see it bounce right here. So this may be see like this little dip here? It looks a lot like that. So, I'm just going to play games with a possible fractal. I'm not saying this is guaranteed. Just going to play a little game with it. And it looks, that this could be what we're doing here. I'm just suggesting that we make similar pattern here. So for like a couple days, we may mill around and then we're going to start to move again after these coins. And then once we're up here, we break that all-time high. You get what I'm saying? We're back into 2 trillion. Or actually, then we break 1 trillion. We hit 1 trillion in the alts. We really did. We hit 1.12 trillion in the altcoin market cap. So you knew that was going to be a pullback center. And that was also, look, the measured move of this previous pattern. It is hard to get to the basics today. Guys, happy 420 to everybody. What a beautiful 420. April has been a beautiful month, just like as predicted. It's been such a beautiful month, man. What a beautiful month April has been, man. Unbelievable. And look, there's the measured move, and that's what happens. It gets rejected by the measured move. So then you look for the next measured move, and you can see where our next bigger pullback will be. Because it tends to follow this over and over again. And we are projecting, we're not positive, but about 1.46 trillion, you know, 1.5 trillion, which makes sense psychologically, right? We'll have a little bit of a pullback. That's the entire market cap for all of the altcoins. So you have total, then you have total too. And that's why we go over that every day. It just gives you an idea of what's going on. Do you know how much the swap fee is? Saw a Safemoon billboard at kind of 650 yesterday. Not sure how true that is. Interesting. I should grab some Digitex. How to stake Doge. Yeah, I think this is something you guys want to know. Look, if you go to Bakery Swap, bakeryswap.org has a Doge pool I found that no one talks about on the low, right? Let me see if I can find it. A lot of TKO going on. A lot of bake to hi-fi, sack to bake, Alice, War. Look, there's a Doge stake right there, and you earn 43% back, and you get bake. So you could stake your Doge right here and get bake. And that's kind of cool because bake is going to be a big coin, I believe. They have an ecosystem. It's a big deal. So that's a good Doge pool that no one talks about right there, Doge staking. And then I also believe there's a Doge LP real quick. So let me see. And again, don't do any of this unless you know what you're doing, right? Like if you're going to yield farm, please know what you're doing. Like, do your due diligence. Know what impermanent loss is. Know what you're getting into. Don't just die. Here's another. Yeah, here's a Bake Doge BLP Bake. You make 43%. So there's 2 Doge pools here on Bakery Swap. Just a place, you know, that I know of. Might be some other places going on. And look at Bake staking. Look at Earn NFT. And then you got NFT staking, which I believe I'm doing this right now. Yeah, there we go. Earn. Let me harvest those and restake those. TKO, man. I'm liking it. You just got to be up on your farms. I haven't seen this in a while. 2 turned into 5. That's a nice return. That's a nice return. You don't get that a lot, right? I just keep being like, what are you doing? We harvested, no? Yep. And you just keep clicking until it says it's there. That's what I do. Make sure in the Binance Smart Chain. They should be in there, man. TKO earn. Oh, these TKO NFT still tokes. So I earn TKO. So now I go back. And that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to go to NFT staking. So I have TKO now. Those aren't TKOs, right? So now I have to find the TKO NFT pool. Ended. All right. Earn bake. Is there a TKO? And that's what you just want to keep using what you get to get something else, right? That's the idea here at all times, you know. Here's bake to TKO, which is cool. But so I'll figure out what to do with my TKO. But that was a good place to stake. Check it out. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for jumping on in. Yes, we did turn, you know, $2,500 into $125,000 with Safemoon. It happened here live on this channel. We made the call. I'll show you the video that I put out on Safemoon after I had already doubled up. I made sure it was pretty safe. I got in. I was in for like a week. And then I felt, you know what? I think I could give this to my subscribers. This is legit. And so I felt the need to share it up with y'all. Thank you guys so much for jumping on in, man. 200 people on the live stream, man. I can't believe the only one that can't sell anything. Just change the slippage to 12%, man. What is the gem? Sorry to keep going on about Wink. Do you think it's a good coin to hold for a year? Thanks. You're the best. Yes, no, I do. I think, don't worry. Don't be sorry, man. I think it's going to go really well. Look, the crypto lifestyle, guys. Another video out there. Prepare for PocaX IDO. Launching gains. Incoming. Yeah, guys. The IDO is coming for Pokedex. Right? Get in on the Pokedex IDO. I love this. I love that. Altcoin recovery imminent. But shout out to the crypto lifestyle, man. We're building an awesome team there. I'm jumping in, helping them out, and we're moving forward. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. They're helping me out, hooking me up. I'm hooking them up. It's a beautiful relationship. But what I wanted to show you is on my channel. That was the UFO I was building. I couldn't show you guys that. I'm sorry. But
Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. But check out the channel. What I wanted to show you, right? Videos. And I healed my tooth with clove oil, just like you guys said. I had a gum pain. I used clove oil. Started using it at night. It numbs your whole mouth. Unbelievable. So check it out. I wanted to show you here that I like to put this video out. 1-inch boom. But Safemoon, back down here. Where are you, Safemoon? Right here, a month ago. I'm talking about Safemoon, guys. 7,400 views. Should have got more. I'm talking about at 18. I'm breaking down. This is a long video. 6-minute video. I talk as much about Safemoon, break it down, talk about where they're going, what I think's happening. So, showed you how to buy it on pancakeswap, the whole nine, man. The whole nine. What is slippage? New to this, but had mine to 20 when I bought Safemoon on pancakeswap. Damn, you don't want it to 20. You don't want to pass 12. Slippage means like when you're trying to make the trade and you can't see, yo, 200 likes on the game. You guys are unbelievable, man. Slippage is when you have basically slippage is when you have, and shout out to everyone new on the channel. We usually go from 9:30 to 11:30. I'm pushing it later. And what I do is I do Bitcoin, total 2, Bitcoin dominance. I also teach you about all the different altcoins to trade on all different places. We talk about how to mine, how to yield farm, what I'm doing with that. All different things, you know. One trade that we got into that I really like, a coin that we're talking about, is Xnalia. Xnalia doing its thing. I like things in the NFT space. I like things in the payment space. I diversify my portfolio all across. And now we even have pre-sales, guys. If you join my Patreon, you'll be accessible to a pre-sale, indirect, you know, pre-sale group. So let me know on the low. Let me know if you join my Patreon. You guys will be the first people I pick to join my exclusive pre-sales. So we do have exclusive pre-sales now coming up. So stay tuned for that, guys. Blow your mind. So this channel really has it all. I don't think there's a channel that has more. We make content. We stream for 14 hours a week, 2 hours every single day, no matter what. We don't miss a day. I didn't miss a day. My wife was giving birth. I was live streaming in the hospital. She was next to me going through labor, not actually experiencing labor, getting ready, you know, waiting. But she was next to me, and she said, "Why don't you live stream?" And I said, "Are you serious?" And she's like, "Yeah, I don't mind. Like, you know, do whatever makes you happy. Like, I love you so much." And I was like, "Babe, you're the greatest woman on earth." And I opened up my laptop and I live streamed for my fans while my wife was about to give birth hours later. So shout out to every one of you guys. Never miss a red day. Never miss a green day. Never miss a damn day is what I say, right? So shout out to you guys. Thank you for coming on into the live, man. Much respect to everybody here. My wife is the best. She is the ish. Congrats, Lifer. Anyone had luck withdrawing BNB on Binance? Still issues with BNB on Binance, man. You were going to give us a gem. No, I was going to show him how to mine the Dogecoin on Bakery Swap. That was the gem that I gave out. That was it. I thought that was a cool little gem. I'll find you a gem, though. What I like right now, you know what? XLM, dude. Why do I like XLM? Well, it's coming back to support. It was in this beautiful bull, and now it's just, we can call this a cup and handle regardless of what happened. So the craziness created a bullish pattern for XLM, in my opinion. So watch XLM in the cup and handle. Just help the candle form faster, really. It hasn't really followed XRP yet. Look for it to follow XRP. Here's my call for Coinbase. Exclusive little gem here for you guys again, and we do this on the channel a lot. If you go back, we gave a lot of, at the beginning of we already gave like 4 or 5 trades out on the live stream today. And I see XLM getting out and breaking out of this all-time high and getting all the way up here to 87 cents. So shout out to the XLM holders. Shout out to my Stellar Lumen crew, man. Did you check Safe Tesla? Safe Tesla. I love it though how they're getting. I should make a coin now called like Tesla Moon, man. You know what I'm saying? It's just gonna do well. XLM or RSR? RSR looks pretty hot too. Yeah, Binance is under maintenance until 5 p.m. GMT. Isn't that crazy? What a day for Binance to be under maintenance too. Safe Tesla token tracker BSC scan. SafeTesla.com. Safe Tesla. Lifer coin, man. Yeah, the Lifer coin. Lifer, L-I-F-E-R. It's taking a while to load. Everyone's on the site. That's a good sign, right? It seems to be bogged down. We want to see everything bogged down on that site, right? For sure. Come on, load Safe Tesla. Can't get it to load, bro. Isn't that crazy? Look, 6 seconds ago, 8 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago. Look, you go to Safemoon, bro. Go to Safemoon. Look at this. Watch this. 11 seconds, 11. Yo, Safemoon is hotter than a hot, like, yo. Nick Carter posted about Safemoon last night, guys. Do you know that, right? Nick Carter. Backstreet Boys, bro. I'm just saying, man. Shout out to Quentin. Much respect, man. Shout out to Sammy Chucks. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. Shout out to Sammy Chucks. Appreciate that, Sammy. Lifesaver. Safemoon to the effing moon, bro. Safe life token. Safe lifer. Safe lifer, because I'm trying to get the lifers to the moon. 12% slippage, and I'm only trying to sell 700. And every time I do it, they take money from me, and I get nothing. That's crazy, bro. You should sell the USDC, not the BNC. Sell to USDC, man. Little Yachty also tweeted, yeah, bro. Hey, can you take a look at CHZ? Little Yachty, yeah. Okay, guys, so throw your tickers in. Your last tickers, your last bit of super chats. I'm going to get out of here for the day. We're going to round up the show. It's been an amazing show. Much respect to everyone here on the live, man. You guys rock. Rock out like you do every single day. Shout out to all my pancakeswap people. Shout out to all my Safemoon lovers. Shout out to all my new Patreons. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you guys for coming on in. Thank you for everyone who hit the like button. Got us to 207 likes. Unbelievable. The channel blew up today. Officially blew up. How can I buy Safemoon if Binance won't let me withdraw my BNB tokens? What I would do is I would buy USDC. If you got to use a bridge. You got to buy USDC, and then you got to use a bridge, and bridge the USDC from Ethereum over to the Binance Smart Chain, and then buy it with USDC, or sell something that you have to buy it if you think it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? Safemoon prediction for the next 12 hours. Thanks, Lifer. BNB took me 1 to 1.5 hours to withdraw. Bitforex stopped BNB withdrawals as well. I sold to yo. This is crazy, man. I am in Safe Tesla crew now. Woohoo! Safe. If it would load. Okay, here we go. Rocket to Mars and generate higher returns. We are giving away a free Tesla. Join now and qualify. I would do that immediately because I would love to earn a free Tesla. Our roadmap. Explore what to expect in the coming months. Right, Tesla giveaway. More details about the Tesla giveaway in the next few weeks. Activities on Mars. Mars landing. I kind of like the site, man. I like the money they put into their website. Like, it's awesome. Like, I have to. Oh, man, I can't believe I'm buying something off the website. Safe Tesla is an auto-created liquidity protocol, static farming token. Safe Tesla has developed excellent products and services for the benefit of all investors. Safe Tesla is a unique, deflationary protocol based on the Binance Smart Chain that offers a variety of high-yield use cases. We are simply the DeFi ecosystem we're simplifying the DeFi ecosystem by offering a unique yet scalable DeFi solution that makes our original Safe Tesla token more profitable for all users and operators. The main use cases for Safe Tesla are NFTs, giveaways, and crowdfunding to charity. How to farm Safe Tesla NFTs. So you can farm them too with our partner at Unifty or at safenftfarm.com. All right, I'm a little sold. Buy now on PancakeSwap for sure, right? It's on the pancakes. It's on the PancakeSwap. I'll limp into Safe Tesla because why not? I already have so many profits. There's no reason not to. I'd go in for like $700 too. Like, I'd go in pretty hard on this one. Like, and again, don't do anything I do on this channel. Nothing I do is financial advice. Please, guys. Please. You know, if you don't know what you're doing, if you know, you may have $1,000 to your name, and if you put $1,000 like me, you may lose it all and be super depressed. This is extremely risky. I know what I'm doing. I also know that where I'm at, and I know what I'm going to do with the money. So like, I'm not stressed about it, right? So I just want to make that real clear with everybody, right? That yeah, just so we all know like what's going down. You know, does anyone know a good way? I have Ethereum in my wallet, and I want to get it over. I have Ethereum in my wallet, and I want to get it on over to the Binance Smart Chain. I need a way. Binance needs to hurry up. I need to buy Safemoon. Safe Tesla, man. I don't want to use my BNB because I know BNB is going to go up. So I have it ready to go, but I just don't want to use it. Isn't that crazy? Last night I sold my free 1-inch. I had 1-inch and I sold it for Risk Moon, right? Oh wow, I won't load the tokens again. So that's going to take a while anyway. Use Binance to swap ETH for BNB. Yeah, I could do that. I could do that. BSC bridge with VPN. Will the bridge work though? I've never used the bridge, man. You know? All right, guys, we're gonna go. If I use the VPN, it could mess up the stream, right? But I wanted to bridge these assets. I've never bridged an asset before, and I thought if I did it live with you guys, would you guys be cool? Would you guys leave the live stream if I bridge an asset right now? Would that be something you want to see? Just let me know. Just use PokeX, LOL. Mandala, bro. Damn, nobody really. Simple Swap will do it. Simple Swap will do it. No, I just did it, but it took forever. On the bridge, use the bridge. Use the bridge and it took forever. I'm not sure what he's saying, but yeah, you got to use pronouns here, guys, like or real things. I'd never leave you, man. You're the man, Gennaro. Let's see it. You show us the bridge thing. Hadouken, guys, don't see an address for Safe Tesla on CoinGecko. Where did you find it? It's right here, bro. You didn't see me get it? I was live on the live stream, dude, going to it in front of you. It's funny, man. I'm sitting here live going there, and he's like, where is it? I'm like, wow. You hit buy coin right here on their website, bro. I love you guys. I love you guys. Some of you guys need some more help than everybody else. I get it. I'm so, sorry. I'm so rude, man. I didn't know it was love learning. Check it out right here. Look. You just go to the website, hit buy the coin, man. If you see use Mandala Exchange, you can receive ERC and send BEP20. I got the, yeah, we could use Mandala, right? Yeah. Yo, this is crazy, man. What a run we went on today. My first 100x, it's 420. Sorry, I love you, Denise. I love you. I'm always picking on Denise. I'm a mean man. I love you, Denise. You're the sweetest woman on earth. You showed me the light, Denise. You're the sweetest woman. Elongate all-time high, baby. All right, so let's see. Where's my elongate, man? I know it's in my wallet here. There it is. So I put like, I think I put $400 in here into elongate. Yeah, you can't even use this to track anymore. It's slow. I used the bridge with a VPN to transfer ETH to BNB, but it took forever. All right, Climb Token Finance is a coin market cap now. What do you think? We like Climb. We bought Climb live on the live stream. We did. Oh, well, look at that. That's one's booming too now. Turning to 1,600, and this is probably going to go even. Yo, these coins are going to go huge, man. This is crazy. We guys, I think we found a trend, and we were in on it really early. And I think these coins are going to do absolutely crazy things. I think we're in for some crazy, crazy gains, guys, that we never even thought possible. So stay tuned for that, man. Anything is possible. Hey, guys, I love that there's 197 people here. I love that you guys are rocking out with me every single day. I love that we all made tons of money. But I have to go. I have content to do. I have videos to edit. I have people to tutor. And I have a life to live. As much as I love my live stream every morning, this is probably going to end the live stream. So, as we all know, we should do an ending song. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, so we should do like, what do we put on? I guess we could just do this one and kind of roll it down. But I love you guys so much. I only made ounces of money, not tons yet, right? I love you all, man. Guys, do an ending freestyle. No. Every time I do that, it gets bad, man. I keep the rap off. Keep the rap off. Yo, everyone, man, thank you guys so much for all the love, man. It was an amazing 420. Shout out to everyone that celebrates. Shout out to 420. Shout out to a beautiful day. It's going to be a beautiful day, man. Okay, everybody. Do an ending freestyle. Ah, man. Thank you so much for that super chat, man. Much respect, man. Have a great day. Blessings to you and your family. Blessings to every one of you guys. Shout out to everyone in the crypto family. You'll see me in the live. If you want to join my Patreon, hit the link below. If you want tutoring, hit the link below. Let me know. I might as well show you guys one last time. If you want tutoring, right here is the link. It's the first link to my tutoring schedule. It's so easy. It links to your PayPal, sends you a Zoom in seconds, and you're ready to go. Patreon. Yeah, Nick is up in here with Kevin Tam, right? Nick, Miz, and Kevin, man, up in the spot. I got old friends meeting on a live stream, guys. That's insane. That's insane. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. like I am every single day. We had a blast. We went over a bunch of different coins. We went over Bitcoin. Gave you a trade for Bitcoin. Gave you a trade for Ethereum. Talked about where the market's going. Saw that as long as we hold these levels, it seems like we'll be all right. And we're getting through the dip pretty well, right? They try to hold us down with this dip. And, guys, we celebrated right through it with Safemoon, Elongate, Shiba Uno, and all these insane gains. So thank you guys so much for being here. Much love and respect. Have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys on the next live stream. We're going to say it together. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. And then we're going to bounce on out of here. So, guys, here it is. It's the end of the stream. I know. It's over. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. I love you guys. Stay strong. I'm going to let the music play for a little bit. Let you guys cool down for a second. I know how it is. But know that I love you. And have a wonderful day.